Got the truck go bang. Booyah. And then I got my boy over here in his red vet. He's trying to hide from the camera. Hell yeah, that's how us bass heads in Oregon do it. Alright guys, so I heard some bass a little ways away, so I went and drove and found it, and I found a group of bass heads hanging out, so we're gonna give them a demo. I'm gonna start it over.
Sounds great.
I like that. Hell yeah, that's awesome. Nasty. Woo!
That thing moves some air.
Oh fuck yeah, it does it. Yeah, I can do air tricks, no problem, dude.
Oh yeah. That's great, dude.
Yeah. All right, we got us a Sundown freaking 3000D. 2 RE Audio SX 12s. What's the box tuned at?
32 hertz.
32 hertz. Let me hear it.
Alright.
Watch the voltage, yeah, that's for sure. Have you thought about flipping it around where your port's facing
I've actually
in the cab?
done it, and it
didn't
not
sound
as
as good. Okay,
it lost
yeah.
a lot of clarity, and
it's because it's not sealed off. If you had it a sealed off face,
yeah, I bet it would.
Yeah.
I've been thinking about it, so I'll give you some delusional, which is technical.
Yeah. Run the sound stream for your highs.
Like this. I'ma drink this hand. I'ma keep this grin. But if you're looking in the closely, I'm trying to contain this beast within.